Well, I think we got like two in the ninth. It was to
Yep.
tie it up and go to extra innings, and then it was just like every single time it was like bases loaded in the ninth, and it's like with two outs, and then I forget who it was, but they just like popped out, and you're like, oh God, it's like you just need one hit,
Yeah.
like and then um then whoever was pitching the 11th inning, or like then they got a run in the 10th or ninth or whatever it was, then we got a run, and then they got a run, and then we got a run, and then they got two runs, and then like in the bottom of the 11th or the top of the 11th, it's like bases loaded, and you walk the guy, and it's
Yep.
just like,
It's
oh
awesome.
my God, it's brutal.
Good morning, Raven. Good morning. Good
And then
morning.
I think I, we had the chance to win it too, and a guy like I forget who it was because I was like kind of watching it, but he like literally the ball was, I mean, it was close, but it was low, and he just like it was called a strikeout, and he was like yelling at the freaking umpire, and then he got thrown out.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was. So it was. Let's see. It was 3-0, and then we came down the bottom and scored one, so it was 3-1. And then the next inning we scored two more, so it was 3-3. And then as soon as we get it to 3-3, Bernardino comes in the seventh, allows 3 runs. So it's like we finally tie the game up. We instantly blow it again. Then we get two back in the bottom of the seventh. Then they get one more in the top of the ninth. Then we get two to tie the game up. Then they get one in the 10th. We get one in the bottom of the 10th. Yeah, and then they get two, and then we get none.
Yep. Like it was a good game to watch, but like god damn it, we just can't be clutch.
That is as soon as like the I don't even think I saw the bottom of the bottom of the seventh. I think I watched until yeah, like watched Bernardino get out after he allowed three, and I was like, okay, I can't watch this team.
They gotta he's gotta figure it out, or they gotta stop playing him or
Oh, that's
something. Send him
terrible.
fucking to AAA.
Good morning, S. How are we doing today?
And then it's the same thing like the Roman Anthony thing. It's just like,
Yeah,
okay,
it's
that
first game.
probably,
Andy normally plays left. I didn't see the error, but normally he's a left fielder. So.
dude, it was literally like a normal grounder, and he just got lazy with it and let it go through. Like it just like went by him because he didn't want to get in front of it, and he tried to like scoop it.
I don't know. No news today. Trump speaks at 4 p.m. I wonder if there'll be some movement then. Doing good, waiting for my setup. How are you? How far away from you are your payout? I don't even know how far away I am from my payout at this point, so I'm just kind of fucking winging it. I don't even want to do the math or look at anything. I'm just trying to win a couple trades. But also just waiting for my setup. We don't have news today. No, we don't. We just have, it says Trump speaks at 4 p.m., and that's like orange folder news, I guess. Or it counts as orange folder news. Good morning, ES. How are we? I was gonna do something. I don't. Oh, I know what I was gonna do. I gotta check on my swing trade. Um. Oh my lord. You want me to come over and help you unlock that? My bad. My bad. My bad. Morning, my ninjas. Whoa. Doing good. How about you? I'm good. I mean, trading wise, not good, but I'm getting there. I feel you. I've recently switched my wrist just because I feel like I'm fucking in a break even stage right now. Trump screwed with my main event parlay. I blame him for everything. Your main event parlay? What does that even mean? I blame him for everything.
Have you seen the whole thing in like LA?
No? What's going on?
Fucking riots in LA are crazy.
Really? What are they rioting over?
ICE. They don't think you should be able to.
Alright,
You
we'll ship them all there then. I don't give a shit.
Yeah.
They
Like,
all hang
and
out
then like
there. Like what?
it's so funny because you see like CNN and they're like it's peaceful protests, and then it literally like cuts to actual people there, and it's just like them burning cars and them throwing rocks off bridges at cops and
Jesus.
destroying cop cars.
To be
It's like
fair, it can be mostly like I haven't seen anything. It could be mostly fucking peaceful, but I don't know. There's always some bad egg. Like I'm sure a lot of it is peaceful, but there's always some bad eggs and like protests that like ruin the whole thing for people. But I just think that's a dumb thing to be protesting. We want illegals, please.
yeah.
Do you mean 1 to 1.5 or did you change it again? I changed it again. Yes, I realized that most of my trades that I win go right to profit, and most of my trades that I lose, I'm literally like getting wicked in, and then it instantly goes against me. So there's no reason to hold on the entire time. So I reduced my stop loss from 20 points to 15. So now technically my risk has gone from 1 to 1, then it went to a 1 to 1.5, but now with the shortening of the stop loss, now it's a 1 to 2. So I'm in a PLTR swing trade. Oh, she's fucking rocketing right now. That's what I noticed as well. Yeah, Trump speaks at 4. You guys saw this reporter getting shot by the police? Did he? I didn't hear anything about it. The only thing I heard was fucking Trump falling on Air Force One or whatever. And I'm like, and then I was like, oh no, please don't let it be as bad as Biden's. And then I watched it, it wasn't that bad. But he was still getting clowned.
Was it bad or no?
What did you notice, ES? That's what I noticed as well. I would, if I pull it up on stream, am I gonna get fucking, whatchamacallit?
What would happen? What are you
Like,
scared of?
I'm gonna get fucking copyrighted for putting up a video of, I don't know, I'll see. This is the video. I saw like a screenshot of Trump.
Thank you very much.
And I was like, oh no, he fell. Let's see him like stumble when he goes up, and then people were clowning on him. Like, is that bad? No, it's not that bad. And then, alright, I think Marco Rubio tries to be a hero, and he, like, imitates Trump and pretends like something's bad with the stairs, which is a G move. Because you'll see he falls, too. See, that's like, it's a slip. It's a 70-year-old man. Or 80-year-old man. Like, that happens. But everybody hates him. And then Rubio did the same thing like a hero. Look at that. What a G.
The thing
And then
is,
this guy
it's
just
a-
doesn't get the memo. Look at that, though. That's a true G right there.
I mean, the dude's holding bags.
Yeah, he should have pretended to fall like Rubio did, though. Holy, Palantir is ripping. Did I vote for Trump? Yes, I did. I'm gonna lose a viewer right there. Bye, Michael. It was nice knowing you. I voted for Trump in 2020 and 2024. And I couldn't vote in 2016. That the stop loss was too big, and if the trend rejects even slightly, the trade is done. Okay, yeah, I see. Biden administration hurt my pockets. I don't even know. I didn't know. I don't know if I got affected from it. I'm trying to think what affected me about his term. I just don't like. I don't. I feel like inflation happens fucking regardless of what the president is. It's just like we print money and that's just what fucking happens. It's just more like policy than like actual hurting me. Like I don't care if fucking eggs go up in the grocery store or whatever. I could give a shit. But I do like that idea of like secure borders. I do like the idea of like fucking women staying in the women's bathrooms, dudes staying in the dudes' bathrooms. You know, simple things. And like, I just didn't think fucking Kamala was a respected, or Biden when he was going against him in 2020 was a respected.
Their own
fucking,
party didn't even want Kamala.
Yeah.
It wasn't even picked.
I don't think she would be respected by world leaders. I believe Trump when he said he could go in and like end the war and stuff like that, and like the whole idea of like, dude, we're just sending money to random fucking places, and we gotta get a hold on this, and then I don't know why like everyone's mad at like fucking, or a lot of people like don't like the idea of Doge, but I think it's good to see where your money is going and stuff. Like market moves every time Trump makes a stupid tweet. The new fundamental. Oh yeah. Markets. You gotta be careful with Trump with the markets, but it's okay. It's just something to learn. How is that? I literally don't understand fucking options. What, $50 off of this fucking spike? I mean, I know I was down.
How far did you do it out?
Not this week, but next week.
That's why. Every day like matters so much.
Yeah, but that's not even that far away. I'm a fucking $2 to my strike price.
You'll understand it more if you use an actual options calculator and see how bad data can be.
Yeah, does it just absolutely murder you? Like,
Yeah,
I know
it
it murders you, but like this seems like a fucking new level of murdering. I'm up 46% on it in total though, so it's not terrible.
Oh, I mean that's good still. Though.
Yeah. Biden markets were the best. I mean, I kind of got in on the later half of Biden markets. Markets were the best. We come and collected. Markets move every time. I use roll calendar for Trump. Roll call calendar. I don't know what is that. I don't even know what that is. But I know for sure Trump. Like I literally saw. I went on Facebook and literally, because I got some notification on some fucking marketplace thing. I was like, ooh, I want to see it. And then like the first thing is like fucking Emily Carranza retweeting like as soon as I don't even go to marketplace yet, literally like the homepage is like Emily Carranza retweeting like Trump falling, and then she's just like comments with like a laughing face. She's like, "What a loser!" And I'm like, it's so funny. Literally like any other 80-year-old falls and or stumbles, and you'd be like, "Oh, it's understandable." But it's like, "Oh, it's Trump. What a retard." But to be fair, I mean, he clowned on Biden, so I guess you deserve it. Just funny how much like people hate. Like meanwhile, your fucking Graham tries to sit down on the couch and falls over and breaks her hip, and no one calls her a loser.
She's younger than him.
Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. Like that's the equivalent. Like it's like, dude, I stumble going up the stairs, and it's like, good lord. People just have no mercy. Wow, that's a fucking boner candle if I've ever seen one, dude. Look, so if this goes to my target, should I just close? Like, does it going over my fucking out of the money call? I mean, obviously it gives you a bigger percent, right? But
yeah.
We may be bullet. I accidentally went long MNQ again. Huh? Would have been up 500 on NQ. That sucks. Do you normally alternate? Or is it just, did it just randomly put you on NQ or MNQ? I think people like not overcomplicate things, but sometimes they like put too much Like they're like, oh, I do a different size and I do a different this, and sometimes I trade NQ and sometimes I trade MNQ. I like the idea of just going in, or like, and then they're like, sometimes I trade gold, sometimes I trade ES, sometimes I trade this. I like the idea of literally just going in and I know exactly what I'm doing. It's like, okay, I'm risking this amount every single time. I don't have to change my chart. I don't have to change anything. I don't have to think about the calculator. I don't have to think about my stop loss. I don't have to think about anything. I wait for my setup. I get in. I risk the same thing on the same thing. Trump is hated for no reason. Um, I like Trump, and I don't think he's hated for no reason. But um, I just think he's overhated. Like, there's a reason to hate him. I don't think there is, but like, or like, I do think there is, I guess. But like, everything he says that like people are like, that's so offensive in this. I just think it's funny because he just likes to joke. But let's focus on one market. I saved my charts on NinjaTrader, and before I closed it last time, I went on the MNQ. Oh, that sucks. Smooth operator. Smooth operator. Coast to coast, LA to Chicago. P Diddy, I will touch you. That's nice. Respected VWAP. The VWAP. Flash sale. Save 30. What is this? Save 30% for 1 hour. That's a window of 3,600 seconds. Okay, cool. Respected VWAP, kinda. Yeah, I mean, it closed back below, or I don't know. At this point, I don't know if we're respecting VWAP or chopping at VWAP. Or this doesn't count as chop yet, but it's kind of chopping. Current VIX is way too low. I never even really look at this. Or I never look at this, I should say. Good Lord. I mean, it seems like it sits around here for most of the year, or like most of the time. Should be around 20 or 21. Like, what does that affect for you? Smooth operator. Yes, looking strong right now. Because of your RSI thing, or what? Respecting view up. See some momentum going on. I got you. So that means you got to take this big inverse. Same thing here. You no more. Oh, did you used to trade him? God. Yeah, I see these scammer. What do I think about ICT? ICT himself, I think, is unprofitable. People who trade ICT, I think most of them have the worst mentals I've ever seen. I believe anything can work, but um, I also don't like the idea of like everybody thinks they need to catch the entire move. Everyone like uses some stupid fucking thing, and then they try to catch. Like, oh, I got wicked in here, and I'm trying to catch all the way to this, or like I don't know. For like, just seems like they're always trying to catch too big of a move with too tight of a stop loss, and just like be perfect. And I think that hurts. I think if a lot of people just went for smaller RRs, it would benefit them more. But they're like, oh, I need a fucking bottom tick this, and then have a tiny stop loss and this and this, and everything will work out perfect. I think so. They wait 3 or 4 hours for an entry. But if you make money, I can't complain. Yeah, I believe people make money on it, but I just think a lot of the way people go about it is dumb. I hate these trader gurus because they never show their P&L and their broker statements. Yeah, like who's the big one? I saw something that people were like posting, like Dodgy or something like that. It's like some big ICT guy, I guess, and he like recently did that. He's like, I'm never coming out with broker set. Like realistically, I can show a bigger month than most gurus can, which is funny. Like a bigger like proof of payout month. But I guess I don't need to make a bunch of money. Can you tell me about strategy? Oh fuck! I gotta take this. God damn it. get a friggin' call back. This guy raising theirs, do some stupid insurance bullshit. Bunch of baloney. We'll do it later. Oh, God. North and south to Kilago. Ooh, we have CPI tomorrow, PPI the next day, and consumer sentiment the next day. Heavy news days. Good morning, FFs. How are we today? Oh, yeah. Any trades or no? Actually, I would assume not, because unless you took that, which would be sad. Because what, you're doing breakouts? Opening range breakouts? No, we took them. Need to close first. Does that not count as a close? Or do you need like a full candle close? Like a full candle to start and close outside of it or something? 15-minute has to? Is that not? Oh, 15-minute has to close outside. Okay, I got you. I was gonna say that is the 15-minute, but it's a 15-minute opening range. Oh, I gotta go to the doctor's later today. I'm gonna get yelled at. I was supposed to go to the doctor's yesterday. I didn't realize, so I missed my regular physical. I gotta call them back. Got a bunch of adult shit to do today. And then I gotta go see Karate Kid the movie. Did we figure out how many movies we have to watch before that, Johnny, or no?
I don't think there's. I think it's like a standalone kind of thing.
Did your mommy set it up? My doctor's appointments? No, I wish. What movies do I have to watch before Karate Kid? I really think we're gonna go lower here. We'll see.
Kind of just waiting.
Yeah.
Oh.
The best appreciate To best appreciate Karate Kid Legends, you should watch the original Karate Kid trilogy, 1984, 1986, 1989, and the 2010 reboot.
I'm not watching all those.
Shoot.
One, we don't have enough time. And two, I've already watched them all before.
I have not.
They're just saying to watch that because they have the rebooted one of like with Jackie Chan and the original like Karate Kid is now the coach. They're like teamed up as a coach. They're teaching this young kid.
I gotcha. Man, we are chopping.
You've never seen the Karate Kid movies?
I don't know. I've seen the one with Jaden Smith, and I think I saw like
The fake one.
the original or something like that. But I didn't see like part 2 and part 3 and whatever the fuck it is.
I don't remember a lot. I don't remember much of them because I only watched them when I was like a kid. But God, I've been getting so hungry in the mornings. My stomach is gargling.
Is anybody taking any trades in this? It can't be. Still waiting. Trading gold though. What's going on with gold? Seems like it's doing something. The Dow not looking pretty. good looking 5-minute chart right there. This is exhilarating. And you know some dudes are gonna blow up their account today. Like, ah, the market sucked. I blew up my account. It's like, I don't even know where you're finding any trades as of now. It's only been 35 minutes, but still. Like, I saw some dude last night posting, like, some Discord, and he's like, I need 9 more points and I'll get my first payout, or whatever, and he's, like, fucking trading at, like, 9 o'clock at night. I'm like, what are you doing? Just wait. Just wait for your regular time. Like, it's like, maybe he doesn't have a regular time, or that is his regular time, but I fucking doubt it. I doubt that's his regular time. Everyone's just so antsy to make money. And then you realize the only way to make money is to take it nice and slow and steady.
Would you take that giant flag?
No. I just think we're gonna go lower. Between that and...
Damn it, I forgot to claim my stake dollar early this morning.
It's still early.
I've been trying to claim it like at like 9:20 when we get on though.
What's the difference?
I don't know.
I think I'm gonna make a video today. Said I was gonna do it the other day, but what's it going to be on? I don't know if you've seen any of my videos. I just kind of like do like talking about, I don't know, whatever's on my mind or whatever, and then probably a little bit of, or normally has something to do with what I'm going through. I think there's going to be some sort of along the lines of like following your rules won't make you profitable or something like that. Like, or like, because people think like, all I need to do is follow my rules and get my psychology in check, and then you need to be, and then you'll be profitable. And it's just not the case. Unfortunately, like if it was that easy, everyone would do it. But like you also need to find your edge. It's like everyone thinks they have an edge, but they don't even know because they don't have any data because they can't follow their rules long enough to collect the data to realize that they're not profitable. So it's like you need to follow all your rules, and then that is the start of you being able to find out what actually works. So it's like hence why, because it kind of goes with what I'm doing right now of like changing my thing, because it's like, all right, I've collected data for the past like 6 months at least of me following all my rules every day, taking all the trades I want to, and then like I go back through and like even though I followed all my rules, like realistically I'm barely like above break even. It's like I just go on good runs and get payouts, and then it like averages back down or whatever. I go on a losing streak and then I bring it back up, and then I go on a losing streak. Like the only way I can get payouts right now is if I go on a win streak, which doesn't make me profitable. It makes me at some point throughout the fucking data sets or whatever, you're gonna go on streaks. So it's like that's what makes me profitable. But then I went, even though I'm following all my rules, but now I like went through and like went through all my trades and shit like that. And I think that's the way to do it. I think backtesting's a myth. I'd rather go back through my fucking trades that I actually took. So it's like I'd rather sit there and have it take longer because you actually take the trades as opposed to backtesting where you fucking skim through them and you're like, oh, my data set says I win 85% of the time. So it's like I like now I'm changing more off of a 1-to-1 because I realize when I lose instantly, and when I win, I can normally shoot for more. So after like 6 months of data of me telling me that, I can now adjust because like since I follow my rules, I can now adjust, knowing that that data is probably more correct because I did follow my rules, and hopefully that. And I'll probably need to adjust something again in 6 more months or a couple months after I do this, and then I realize I can be more profitable doing this. You know what I mean? Yeah, hindsight messes people up. Yeah, hindsight is a absolute fucking kill. There's always a trade you can take during the day that's like, oh, if I took this trade, it would have worked. It fits my strategy. Preach, brother. Awami League? What the fuck it? Pay Gorn. That sounds a lot like something else. But that's the plan. I think I'm going to talk about that. You probably don't even need to watch the video. I just summed it up right there. Also, streaming's alright, but I don't... Not that I really care, but I mean, it's fun to see numbers go up. But, like, I actually get some views and, like, subscribers when I post videos. I always support Mike's videos. What a sweetheart. I might be going for longs. Ooh. Good luck. Bangladesh, Awami League. Alright, relax. I don't care about fucking gay soccer. This candle's gonna flip by the end of it. I'm confident. Soccer. Football, sorry. Awami League is a political party? What the fuck? Am I supposed to know that? Sounds like a soccer league. The old existing political party in the country. The party played the leading role in achieving the independence of Bangladesh. Dude, who gives a shit about Bangladesh? Why bring politics into a trading floor? Am I supposed to know that? Who the fuck knows that this is a old party of Bangladesh? I mean, Nvidia's starting to go higher, Apple's starting to go higher, ES starting to break above. Be very surprised if NQ doesn't go higher, but it doesn't mean I'm gonna take anything. They were in the power for more than 25 years. Yeah, but why do I care? Like, who comes in and talking about, oh, the old Bangladesh party? Like, no one gives a shit. The Boston Tea Party, 1770. I know, it's such a random thing. Even even that's just a random thing to go in and talk about. And I feel like that one's more important, or at least to me, because I'm from the U.S. Like, maybe if you were to go into some
Literally from
Bangladesh streamer,
Boston,
yeah,
where it was actually like big.
yeah. It's like if I were to go into fucking a Bangladesh guy's thing and be like, the Boston Tea Party, like, they'd be like, all right, I don't care. like a big old. We'll see. Apple trying to make new highs. Video maybe trying to bounce off this EMA coming up here. ES trying to hold above the 15-minute. Bangladesh is the best country in the world. I guarantee you fucking 80% of Americans, which is the real best country in the world, can't even point out where Bangladesh is on a map. Crazy how the people back then fought for 1 cent tax rate and people can't fight for 7% taxes on our income, home, and everything else. Yeah. And like those taxes were actually going to good things back then too. That's even the worst part. It's like now you get taxed more and it goes to fucking God knows what. It's like before it's like we taxed them 1% or 1 cent or whatever the fuck it is. So we can create a new dirt road. Which was big or whatever, like I don't know, I feel like before it was actually used for better stuff. Now it's just like a bunch of fucking political gay shit. Next to India. No, I know where it is, Raven, but... Or yeah, you're saying you do too, I guess, but... I swear, 50% of people couldn't point out Bangladesh.
Like me.
Could you, Johnny?
No. Shut. I don't give a shit. Mudhut people.
Rip. My text is going to wars that I don't give a fuck about. Yeah, exactly. Teensy little bull flag there. Teensy. ES breaking above the highs. Nvidia breaking above the highs. Apple trying to break above the highs. This thing is going to go. ES broke 15-minute. Might take that bull flag. Good luck. Pakistan or India? Which one do you choose? I hate Indians. I don't know if I like Pakistanis, but a lot of Indians are fucking annoying.
Yeah, and they smell like curry.
Brother. Yeah, I don't think we're ever gonna be able to stream on TikTok. That's what like some of the guys said in the other chat. Like, you can start streaming on TikTok too. It's way easier to get viewers. And I'm like, I can't stream on TikTok. Like I say gay, like you say gay on TikTok, and I think you're banned.
That's
or
crazy.
like retard or anything. For you, not me. Oh no. No, I don't want to take any. I feel like we're fucking choppy right now. But yeah, I mean ES, Nvidia, Apple are all pushing up, but I mean technically this could be a trap if you ignore this wick here, something like that. I don't hate it. Technically we trapped. Did we trap on ES right here? Or is that equal? I think that's equal. But yeah, this will probably, I don't know. I could definitely see this going. It's just, I don't know if I want to take it. I don't think I do. This will be the one that rips up, and then there'll be another one at fucking 1050. I'll take that one and lose. ES has some nice support between the EMA and the 15-minute range. Not there right now, so I'm just waiting. Yeah. High probability of third rejection in my opinion, but don't know. What, at the 15-minute range? I gotta put another coat of glue on my puzzle. Oh, and I learned on Nike. Let's see. Jesus Christ. Nike having a good day. First touch point, second touch point. Yeah, I didn't really trap anything. I don't like it. Just threw it there for now. Thinking maybe if it came down and came up, but
She got banned.
I woke up from a ban from Apex. What? How? Oh well. You know what else is massive? Nice, Joe Mama. What'd they say? What was the email?
Or was it like the same thing that you got, where you're just like on like this like weird probation thing?
I want to kill myself. Is that why you got banned? I thought they were either over leverage.
Oh, is it because he's
No
Algerian?
way. They don't want Algerians trading on their platform.
Because they were getting like, supposedly he was saying there were a lot of Algerians.
Oh yeah, you got fucked on the ID verification. I've heard the same thing. I've heard people getting banned from Top Step for like being too young and using their parents and stuff. Yeah, the ES are just racist against Algerians. It has nothing to do with with anything else. ES is fucking ripping right now. There. It's above the highs. And NQ has made its trap. Apple is breaking below the EMA though. ES is going to come down to Apple's coming down to a pivot point. It could bounce that to get above the EMA. Oh, I kind of want to take this, Johnny. I failed the idea.
I don't mind it as much now that
What the fuck do I do now?
Crap.
Isn't there like temporary visas you can get or something? Ilias? Like temporary identification from that country? And what did you say, Johnny? Trade with you. That Bowfly looks better now, not gonna lie. Yeah, it does, doesn't it? Especially with ES popping up, Nvidia still riding the trend higher. I'm hoping Apple can bounce at this. I don't know, I might be getting in here. It's just so choppy. Like I could see it going, but it's also just very obviously it's very possible that it doesn't go to there, but I don't know what the fuck is this? What the fuck is happening? Three minis all bonus, you. I was just thinking to switch to FTMO. They pay in crypto too, so I can do tax evasion. Interesting.
I still don't know how that works with like crypto.
Yeah, I
'Cause
don't
you
know.
can't
either.
really like tell. Like, I don't know.
I don't know how that works either. But I don't. But it's still like if you're going through FTMO, like they're a legit company, which means that you're gonna have to file like a what is it? Not a W-2, but a what's it called? Johnny, what's it called?
W4.
No, it's not. I think it's something else.
I think a W4 is just for like um bartenders and stuff.
It's like when you're just like a private contract or whatever. Yeah, 1099 or whatever. Yeah.
Oh, a sole proprietor.
Am I gonna get trapped right here? I think I want it. I think I want in. I'm gonna get baited. It's a nice like trap below and then fucking swallow up the whole candle. Momentum feels so fake right now. Well. What are you thinking, Johnny?
I don't like it, but you do you.
I don't know. I think I might be making something up in my head right now. Or like, I mean, the flag is there, but it's just choppy days tend to continue to be choppy days. Oh, this would be my entry, like right around here.
Ooh, this Joe Mama guy. Does that work? Like, Raven, can you see his messages now?
A message. No, I think you banned him. Hidden by. Yeah, you hid his messages. It just does not feel like it's gonna. I don't know. Nvidia's pulling over, but Apple's pushing up.
Yeah, do you goon, bro? You a gooner?
This would be the entry right here. Like,
So, do they just like shut you out completely? Like you don't even get to keep any of your money or your accounts?
yeah, Raven, I know, right? This guy's slacking. I don't know why it took him so long to ban him.
I
A
bet I don't
terrible
look at your
mod.
chat. I'm a mod who doesn't look at your
Well,
chat.
I think I found another person you need to ban.
Yo, who's Joe?
It's probably the same guy who is Joe Mama. If I
How
had
many
to
accounts do
guess,
these people
I
have?
don't know. They're losers. But my fault for
Okay.
trusting Apex. I mean, that's not Apex's fault. It's you not following their KYC. I'd be in profit right now. There's the rejection back at the fucking right at that 15-minute opening range again. Losers is right. No way it went. Yeah, I mean, I can't log into my account, and my accounts are liquidated. Damn. Always do reason. No way it went. Never mind. Yeah, it just felt. I don't know. It just feels not the best right now. I'm not opposed to getting in something. Honestly, maybe using this as my second touch point, and we come all the way down and then all the way up or something for a big range. But that one just didn't feel good. It's up 3.6K in each Apex account and wake up to 3 months late. I mean, you develop the skill, so
I don't understand. Like, is it just because the companies, like Apex, is from somewhere that doesn't allow it, or can you not trade in Algeria normally?
I don't. I have no
And
idea.
aren't you off a work visa? Why can't you trade off your like Canadian address?
That's what I don't know either. Like, you just didn't show identification. That's what I'm not understanding.
Yeah, but wouldn't your
Dude, this
work
guy's a
visa
literal
be?
faggot. Oh my god, I have to. How do you fucking. What do you do? What do you hit, Johnny? Hide the user on this channel?
What, Elon?
Yeah. What do you hit? Hide user on this channel?
Yeah, I just did it.
Oh. You can just tell it's the same fucking dude. He's a retard. Uh,
Oh,
tell me.
my bad, Raven. I actually put you in a 10-second
Bro,
timeout.
what are you doing? Why? What's wrong with you?
It's 10 seconds. It was just a joke.
Yeah, you did it yesterday too, you faggot.
I know, it's funny.
Surely it's Music Madness? I don't think
I
so.
like to abuse my power.
How do these people find you? I don't fucking know.
I literally don't know. You have the weirdest chat.
Yeah, I have no idea. Rest in piss, Raven. We're gonna go now. Nvidia and Apple looking way stronger now than they were before. ES trying to bounce off the CMA in the 15-minute range. This might be the higher. I don't know. Psycho X of yours, Mike? I don't have any X's, so I don't think that's possible. Maybe Johnny.
Nobody even knows that, like, who I am.
That's what you think.
You're the one showing your face.
Yeah, I'm sure people who know me and
Yeah, that's true.
yeah, like he watches YouTube. I'm going back
Release
to sleep,
will
guys.
never
Good
be
luck
seen
with everything,
again.
and I hope you guys will make it. See y'all in the near future.
Gone forever.
what is what you gotta do, Ryan? It's been an honor. I'm sorry to hear that. There's got to be something you can do, whether it's I don't know, some sort of future, some sort of crypto. I mean, yeah, crypto or FTMO or forex or something.
Yeah, do like futures in crypto.
Forex, you mean? You can trade
No,
forex now, so 100,
futures.
same price action, just
It's
get it.
like
Yeah,
futures in crypto that I traded
I think
with like
yeah, but
Bitcoin or whatever.
yeah, but he wants to do props, so I think you got to move to forex. Well, good thing I didn't get in there. Raven summed it up. Just gay. What, forex? Yeah. Oh, ES ripping above the highs right now, trying to break out. Oh, well, I think it made equal highs. It literally made equal highs 4 times in a row. What the fuck is that? Trading indices with forex props, yeah. What if we come trapped below this level here? Something like that. US 30 is a nightmare. US 30 is what? Um, what do you call it? For fuck's sakes. The Dow, right? Yeah, Jones, yeah. Like, I don't know why. I'll see, like, some people, and they trade, like, they live in America, and they trade Forex still. And they'll be like, oh, I just trade, like, US 30. And I'm like, why? Or, yeah, they'll trade, like, the NAS 100. I'm like, why would you trade Forex instead of futures? It's very strange. The brokers are more sketchy. The spreads are gay. The prop firms are worse. Like, everything, every part of it seems worse. I think the taxes are worse. Like, LXG is such a scam. I don't know. I met the guy in Miami. Didn't know what he was talking about. Really? Is he? You met him in Miami? I don't know. He like seems like the most guru of all time. But at the same time, I feel like like I don't know about half of his shit, but it seems like he did the whole like 100 to the mill thing and like showed every trade and shit. You get crazy leverage. That's why. I don't know. Like I don't even really understand leverage. I feel like I understand like it's like oh 1 to 500. Like what is futures? Because you don't get to pick leverage. And I think you only get crazy leverage on like offshore brokers and shit. Like if you use like Oanda or like Forex.com, I'm pretty sure it's like 1 to 40. Which what is that? Every dollar you have, you can risk $40. Is that what it is or something? Correct. He never actually showed the brokers from it. Like yeah, 1 mil is possible, but he could just do it demo. Right, but like why would you do a demo if you did have the ability to do it? And for him, clearly he's rich regardless. So it's like realistically, he's only risking $100.
Who is this?
The forex guy, Alex G. Like that's what I wouldn't understand. If he had the skills to do it, and didn't he like have a forex like my forex or something? I don't remember what the broker is called or like it's something that like everybody can track it and it showed like every trade and stuff. I thought he like did it pretty like it's like my FX book or something book forex or something. you're taking a dive.
Wait, Raven, do you live in the United States right now? Or were you just like vacationing to Miami?
She lives in Miami.
Are you live in
She's
Miami?
a big baller. Miami day trader in this terrible place.
Wow.
You gotta start making vlogs. POV. You're rich and went to Miami and bought a penthouse or something. I think that's what all the cool kids do.
Do you have like, cause where were you originally from? Were you like born in Miami? Oh yeah, Morocco.
I was gonna say Morocco, but I wasn't sure.
So do you actually have like a U.S. citizenship for like the same thing like Ilias or whatever? Like you're not gonna have an issue. Does Marco have issues with trading?
Well, FFs, I know you haven't taken shit because this is the 15 minutes, all the 15-minute candles.
Market KMF. Yeah, I got my ID.
Okay, yeah, I'm up, yeah. Yeah, peace out. Well, it's a smart move. I'm gonna do my daily dollar and then probably call it because this is a whole lot of bubkiss going on right now.
I took my trade and I got faked out. Yeah, trader.
Rip. Did you size up too? Maybe tragic. Dude, I love it.
Is
I
it
love
weird driving on the right side of the road?
I'm gonna play some DBD and enjoy the weather. What is DBD? Let's see.
Is that like Dead by Daylight? That's what I'm assuming it is. Yeah, Dead by Daylight.
Of course, Johnny knows it. Of course.
It's a popular game.
Holy, ES just fucking spiked as soon as I fucking look away and
I've never played it. I don't know. It looks boring to me, but
is this the move? Really click away for two. I say I'm gonna be done probably, and then it just instantly fucking rips. Is this the buy right here? Or is this just a big old trap? Trappy trap. ES already fucking ripped. Jesus.
my god.
Peace out, ES. Don't you sound like you play it? I mean, he probably just watched videos on it because he's a gamer and that's what he does.
What, Dead by Daylight?
Yeah.
No, I've never played it. All I know is like there's like a bad guy and then there's like four people that like don't they like run around and have to like start generators and then you like stab them and put them on hooks. That's all I know about the game.
I knew it. I knew he knew everything about it.
So clearly not that much.
I knew it. It's kind of boring. Apple's higher.
Like I got my $5.
No way, man. Is this gonna go? Or is this just baiting in longs to dump?
on, Sally.
This would be my entry. This thing's gonna fucking rip. Gonna rip. I should buy in right now. I should buy in right now. But I don't want to because I feel like I'm getting jebaited. I feel like I'm getting trapped. This doesn't seem great. Like it wants me to think. Oh, Nvidia's ripping up higher, trying to get back up with the EMA. Fucking.
It's too late. Now it's already past our entry.
That would have been like. I could still get in a little late here. It's like the same, honestly. I don't know. It just looks so trappy. Oh, I could get in here for like fucking where I want to, pretty much. Be like a point of slippage or a point of. I'm telling you, it just looks trappy.
My God, of course I get pocket eights and I can't do anything.
She's afraid of that 15-minute range. Afraid of it. You know price action's gonna be good later. We're really struggling to get above this pivot point on the QQQ. We're right at one. And yes, I got faked out and leveraged more, so I'm Sage. I'm waiting for strong close. How many trades do you allow yourself a day, Raven? Honestly, I might just call this here. This is not an A+ setup. Just looks like it's trying to trap, and then we're gonna fucking reverse all the way down to the bottom of the 15-minute range. Price action would be better later. No, that's just how it fucking goes. Only two. Anything more, I might as well go to the casino. Yeah. Yeah. Alrighty. I'm gonna head out. It's not worth taking anything. But peace out. If you do take something, good luck.